Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I know. And it's just a lot, life. So I need to do something with this hair. Don't mind my hair. I'm in the middle of getting ready because we're about to go to Ikea to pick up a mattress for the bunk bed and maybe see or maybe shop around to see what they have new for spring. I also need to go to Costco and Target. And I need to take this crib down, which I don't know. I don't want to, but he loves his new bunk bed. I mean, he's been sleeping there for about a week during his nap time, though. And he loves it. He sleeps for 2 hours and he loves it. Probably why he doesn't sleep all night, but whatever. Both of my kids did that. As soon as Camille turned 2 years old, she slept through the night. So I don't know. Levi is 16 months, 18 months. I got a little bit more months to go. That's why I need my coffee. Let's go get coffee first. Hey guys, we're back from Ikea. So I'm gonna go take down the bed, the crib, and build this for the kids so they can get entertained while I go take down the crib. So I just got this from Ikea. It was $25. It's called Circus something. I don't know. It's like a little playhouse for them. Get them entertained while I go take down the crib. Hi to the camera. So I wanted to do a mini haul on everything I got at Ikea. It wasn't much, so just wanted to show y'all. I just got through doing the kids' bunk bed, so I wanted to show y'all. I got these pillow covers. Can you see the texture? Yeah, it's a 20 by 20. They were $9.99. I got 3 of these. I got one open here, and look how beautiful it is. It feels like Sherpa, the fabric Sherpa, or even boucle. So it is nice. It is fancy. Stuff like this at a high-end store, probably like 25 to, I don't know. I've not seen these at Amazon for $27. Amazon 27 for a 20 by 20. So yeah, $10. Look how nice it is. So I got 3 of these. I also got these scrubs to clean the dishes. What is it, Papa? So anyways, dish scrubs comes 3 in a pack for $2.50. I got 5 pack. So I got this I'm gonna say a rug. It's nice. I was thinking about putting it in my powder room, because I have a small powder room. A little rug. Maybe add something to like stick it to the ground or something. But yeah, it's a nice fabric. I got this Grilla. So I guess to grill. And that's about it. That's all I got. I'm waiting on the kids' quilt to come in. Uh-oh, someone's knocking. Come on in, boy. So I'm waiting for the kids' quilt to come in. They come in tomorrow, I believe, from Amazon. It's the same one that I have on my bed, but it's the darker one. This is beige, and the one I got for the kids is dark beige. So yeah, that comes in tomorrow. I am gonna show y'all how this pillow cover looks, because I'm trying to figure out my bed situation. I have so many plans for this headboard. Eventually I want to add the rest of the bed, so I want to finish off the bed eventually. Do 2 more nightstands. I love these nightstands, but I feel like they're just too small. They're just, because I have too much space on the sides, on both sides, and it looks weird. Let me show you. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell the space here. I don't know if it probably doesn't look like much, but in reality it's a big gap. And I just feel like the nightstands look too puny, so I want to make some I think they're called oversized nightstands, and I think I will have a good room for them. Let me show you on my bed. So I just purchased this from Amazon. A beautiful quilt. Look at the texture. It's still subtle, which what I wanted. And this is the beige. I did get the dark beige for the kids, so we'll see how that looks. Neutral white. Well, it's not even white, it's a cream duvet cover, ivory, and this is tan. I love my headboard that I made. This is so beautiful. I mean, for it to be my first time. Well, this is actually my second time ever. No, you know what? This is my 3rd time doing the headboard. Yeah, I forgot that I did the headboard upstairs. I still like it. So this is my current situation here. My bedding. I'm going to show y'all the pillow covers that I just bought. So y'all let me know if I should keep these or keep the other ones that I'm about to show y'all. I left my floral arrangement upstairs, so that one went there. So let's see. Okay, so here are the new pillow covers. What do you guys think? I don't know. I mean, I wasn't even 100% with the other ones, and with these, I love them. I just don't know if I like in this space. I don't know. I don't. Look at the texture. They're beautiful though. They're ivory. Yeah, they're ivory. Very neutral, beautiful texture. Guys, let me know in the comments below what y'all think. Should I keep the first ones or these, the second ones? Or maybe I should add a third pillow in the middle? Let me try it because I did buy 3. Okay, so this is the third option. So I added 3 of the new pillow covers, 1, 2, 3, and I added this lumbar pillow. So what y'all guys think? A, B, or C? Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. And if you love these type of videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a video. We have a lot of content coming up, finishing up the office room, finishing up the powder room, and small little DIYs here and there. I still have to finish Levi's dresser that goes here. And maybe build a nightstand. But yes, we have a lot of content coming up. So thank you for watching. Bye.